Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas into stunning videos without showing your face, spending hours editing, or hiring a production team, this video is made for you. Today, I'll introduce you to an amazing platform called Mootion. Mootion is an AI-powered content creation tool that helps you generate fully animated, faceless videos in less than 5 minutes. You can use it for tutorials, kids' animations, horror stories, educational content, bilingual dialogues, entertainment, and more. Mootion is designed for creators, educators, marketers, and anyone who wants to make professional quality videos quickly. The real power of Mootion is that you can create a complete video from just an idea or text prompt. But you're not limited to that. You can also use a script you've written, upload audio or video, add a document, or even paste a website link. From there, the AI does all the heavy lifting. It plans your story, writes the script, designs a storyboard, generates images, animates them, adds transitions, and even applies voiceovers and background music. Everything is automated and managed inside one simple platform. When you log in, you'll see Mootion's clean and easy-to-navigate interface. At the top, there are several ways to start a project, including beginning with a text prompt. You'll also see ready-made templates for many types of content. Categories include general videos, social media, kids' stories, education, and more. On the left-hand side, we have section of my projects and gallery, where you can browse sample templates and select one that fits your project. Let's create a video together step by step. Click Create New Project. In the box, type your prompt. As soon as you enter it, Mootion begins working. First, it analyzes your idea and builds a plan. Then, it writes a script. Next, it creates a visual storyboard. Finally, it prepares the post-production setup, including transitions, effects, music, and voiceover. This all happens in just a few seconds. Now Mootion will generate images for your scenes. It creates a variety of visuals that match your story. Once they're ready, click Animate All to automatically animate every image. The great thing is you don't need to wait. While Mootion animates in the background, you can start another project. You'll be notified when the animations are ready. When animations are done, click Edit Project. Here you can adjust every part of your video. You can change the title, rewrite, or edit the script. And if you don't like an image, you can click Regenerate to get a new one. Want more control? Click Edit. Inside the image editor, you can crop, flip horizontally or vertically, erase elements, or use the brush tool to add new ones. You can even replace the background completely. You can even replace any photo. To animate a single image manually, click Animate. You can describe the motion you want, or leave it blank and let the AI handle it. When you're satisfied with your visuals, click Next. Now you can customize the video's title style, subtitle style, with multiple designs to choose from, a thumbnail image, visual effects such as lighting and shadows, and smooth scene transitions for a polished look. Next, let's add voiceovers. Mootion offers a wide range of AI voices, male and female.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
You can preview them, then choose the one you like. You can even add an avatar. Avatars speak with realistic lip sync and gestures. You can change their pose, position on screen, and visual style to match your video. Now, let's add background music. Mootion gives you plenty of tracks to choose from. Each track also has an emotion tag, like happy, sad, chill, angry, funny, or elegant. Pick the one that fits your story, click Compose It. Mootion will now generate your complete video. This may take a few moments, depending on the complexity of your project. When your video is ready, preview the final version.
In the heart of the ancient whispering woods, where the trees stood tall and whispered secrets to the gentle winds, lived a rabbit named Thistle. Thistle was a curious and adventurous soul, always eager to explore the lush greenery around her burrow. One morning, as the golden rays of dawn filtered through the dense foliage, Thistle set off on one of her exploratory adventures. Today, she was followed by a
You'll then have the option to download the full video, the storyboard, or just the thumbnail. Everything is neatly packaged and ready to publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or your website. So, if you want to transform your ideas into beautiful animated videos without spending hours editing, Mootion is the perfect tool. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video on powerful tools like this. I'll see you in the next one.